एवरीवन, आज का टॉपिक बिजनेस प्रेजेंटेशन एंड इट्स एडवांटेज। ये टॉपिक एक मैनेजमेंट के स्टूडेंट के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ अ गुड प्रेजेंटेशन, द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ अ गुड प्रेजेंटेशन इन वेरी डिटेल। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द डेफिनेशन ऑफ presentation is that a business presentation is an act to inform, educate, motivate, and persuade internal and external audiences. It is used in sales training almost in all departments of any organization. So as a matter of fact, presentation तो हर डिपार्टमेंट के लोग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में देते हैं, लेकिन एक प्रेजेंटेशन तभी अच्छा माना जाएगा at the end of the session when the audience will feel that the presentation was very informative, presentation was very effective. So the focus of this topic is that how we can understand the attributes of an effective presentation. This is what we are going to discuss today. So unless we do not understand the elements of a presentation, it would be very difficult to understand that how we can equip ourselves with the ability of effective presentation. Look, a presentation has these four elements. The first one is presenter. Presenter is that person who gives the presentation. The presenter must be well dressed up. The presenter should look very decent. The language of the presenter depends on the second element, types of audience. If the audience is very much comfortable in English, use English. If the audience is uncomfortable, then use that language which make your audience comfortable, right? So the attributes of the audience is also matters for an effective presentation. The third one is subject. If the presenter has not detailed knowledge about the subject, definitely the presentation will not be very effective. So a presenter must have a very complete knowledge of the subject for which he is going to deliver the presentation. Look, if you are working as a production manager in Tata Motors and Tata company has launched a new car, suppose a new car Tata Tigor, and you do not know the complete knowledge about the Indian family market, the attributes of a good family car, the competitors' market share, the plus points of your competitors, the minus points of your competitors, the plus point of your product, the minus point of your product, the USP of your product, everything. If you do not, if you're lacking in any angle from the knowledge point of view, then definitely your presentation won't be very effective. So a presenter must be very knowledgeable enough. The fourth element is environment. See, environment matters. If the environment is not good, definitely the presenter and the audience will not feel comfortable. As for example, if the environment is noisy, presenter is speaking and the noise coming from the outside which will make the audience uncomfortable in understanding, then definitely it is going to affect your effectiveness of your presentation. So the environment must be very standard. There should be a lot of tools, latest tools which make your environment not only good enough, rather the environment must be very modern as well. We will discuss in very detail about the environment in coming slides. So getting back to the next slide, what are the advantages of a good presentation? So these are the advantages of a good presentation. Presentation must be face to face. The audience and the presenter must be face to face, physically or digitally. Engagement. While giving the presentation, you must use a lot of videos, a lot of sounds, images. This will engage your audience. completely, and this will make your presentation very interesting. Flexibility, there must be provision for the flexibility, that if a particular tool doesn't suits to your presentation, immediately you can switch to another one. Consistency, there must be regular routine of organizing the meeting, organizing the presentation, so that any information related with the product and the service of the company must be communicated to the each level of your organization, and it must be versatile. So these points will surely help you in preparing the notes, because it's regularly this question is asked in your exam, that what is presentation and what are the advantages of the good presentation. So these are the advantages of good presentation. So coming to the next slide, what are the tools that we use in our presentation to make our presentation modern, to make our presentation effective? Look, we have a smart board, we have a speaker, we have OHP, we have slide projector, etc. So depending on our requirement, we can use any one of them. Yeah, we can use more than one tools. So the idea behind talking about the presentation, the advantage and effectiveness, is that we are coming to the main point, that we have to learn PowerPoint. We have to learn PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a tool that will help you in designing the slide presentation. So these are some important points associated with PowerPoint. The first point is, PowerPoint is a presentation software. I repeat, PowerPoint is a presentation software. We have already learned about MS Word and Excel and Oracle, everything. So MS Word is a document processing software which is used for document designing, document editing. Files are known as documents saved as .docx file. Excel is a presentation software. The file is known as workbook and saved as .xlsx file. In the same manner, Oracle is a database software and FoxPro is a database software. And now we are coming to the PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation software, and the file is stored as .ppx file. When we open PowerPoint, it provides you slides, because a presentation is an organized collection of slides. When you open slide, you have to design slide. The slides may include text, sound, videos. PowerPoint provides you all available elements which is available in the digital world, that you can embed on your slide to make your presentation very effective. Moreover, apart from text, sound and videos and all, PowerPoint provides you slide transition. We will discuss in very detail about slide transition. We have to discuss separately about object animation. What is slide transition? How the slide will come on the screen with a unique behavior is known as slide transition, that we have to discuss. What we have to discuss about object animation. Suppose your company has launched a new car, right? Tata Tigor. So in a slide, you want to show that the car is coming on the slide. You want the wheel should come first, and you want to talk about the attribute about the wheel. This is the size, this is the width and all. Then the body should come, then the gate should come. So every object of the slide may come on the screen with a unique animation, which is known as object animation, that we have to discuss in very detail. Then slide timing. You can set the time for the slide also, that automatically when the time will over, the slide will go off and a new slide will turn up. And while presentation, you have the facility of marker erasers also. Like here we are using marker. Look, here we are using pen. This pen is helping me and my audience too to make this presentation effective. Not only that, we can remove also what we have written. So everything we will discuss in very detail when we'll talk about PowerPoint. So आज के सेशन में हम लोगों ने सीखा what is presentation, what are the advantages of a good presentation, and coming sessions में हम लोग सीखेंगे how we can use PowerPoint to create an effective set of slides to make our presentation very effective. एक बात हमेशा याद रखिए, एक मैनेजमेंट के स्टूडेंट को एक बहुत अच्छा ऑरेटर होना पड़ता है, एक बहुत इफ़ेक्टिव प्रेजेंटर होना पड़ता है। प्रेजेंटेशन तो सब देते हैं, वैसा प्रेजेंटेशन जिसके ख़त्म होने के बाद ऑडियंस बिल्कुल खुश हो जाए, उसको हम इफ़ेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन कहते हैं। ऑडियंस बिल्कुल इन्फॉर्मेटिव हो जाए, ऑडियंस को लगे कि वाह मज़ा आ गया, तो वैसे ही प्रेजेंटेशन को हम इफ़ेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन कहते हैं। इस सेशन को हम एंड करना चाहते हैं वसीम बरेलवी साहब के एक शेर के साथ कि कौन सी बात कहाँ और कैसे कही जाती है, ये सलीका हो तो हर एक बात सुनी जाती है। थैंक यू, थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग दिस सेशन, बाय बाय।